Let's start phonics with a warm-up. I'll say a word and clap its syllables. Listen. Table. Table has two syllables. Ta-bull. Listen and say scribble. Scribble has two syllables too. Now let's do some. I'll say a word, clap the syllables with me, and tell how many syllables you hear. Listen. Bumble. Bumble. How many sounds do you hear? 2. Good job. Now you listen and clap and tell me how many sounds you hear. Scramble. Scramble. How about simple? Simple. Nibble. Nibble. Tumble. Tumble. Fable. Fable. Good job. On your screen, you see the sound spelling card for table. The N sound is O. The word table ends with O. Say the word with me. Table. Listen for the sounds at the end of table. The letters LE stand for O at the end of the word table. Remember that you can use syllables to help you read a longer word. Let's look at the word table. If we read the first syllable, tay, what vowel sound do you hear in that syllable? A. Good job. Now let's read the second syllable, bull. And these letters stand for the b-ul sound that you hear. Remember that counting vowel sounds can help you determine the number of syllables in a word. How many vowel sounds did you hear in the word table? Right, 2. How many syllables are in the word? 2. Good job. Read the word with me. Table. This is the word wiggle. Read it with me. Wiggle. The letters LE stand for the sounds at the end of wiggle. Wig-gle. How many syllables do you hear in the word wiggle? Right, 2. Break the word into syllables and read the word with me. Wig-gle. Wiggle. Before you begin some practice with the syllable ol, we are going to look at your decodable readers for today. Your first story today is called The Fox and the Grapes. Many words in this story will end with the syllable le, ol. Make sure that you preview the story. It starts on page 51 and ends on page 58. Make sure that you preview this story and predict what you think this story is going to be about. And then read the story through 2 times, once on your own and once either out loud or with your learning adult at home. Your other decodable reader is jingle, jangle, and jiggle. In this story, you're going to find many words that have 2 syllables where the last syllable is ul, like in the title, jig-ul, jang-ul, and jiggle. Don't forget to preview this story before you read it. It starts on page 59 and ends on page 66. Preview and predict what you think the story is going to be about. And then read it through 2 times again, once on your own and once either out loud or with your learning adult at home. Now let's check out your reader's notebook page for more practice with the syllable ul. For more practice with ul, please turn in your reader's notebook to page 173. On this page, you'll circle the word that names the picture. Let's look at the first one. We have the word bottle and bubble. Which word names the picture? Right. Bottle. So then you are going to circle the word. You're going to do that for 2 through 6 and make sure that your learning adult checks your work.